My guys and girls, dctmakes here. Space saving for a small shop. Don't have the same shop I used to have in the US, here in the UK, but I need a table saw. Now I've got this bench from Mr. Ian and a saw. So the saw will go on pins so it can be lifted. So we have the whole outfeed table to come out on, but this part here I don't have room to have even a table saw up all the time. So this is what it's going to look like when it's parked. This will go in a little further like that on a band, and then this isn't finished obviously. I have to make a stand and get it all working, but it'll flip up like this. There'll be a stand underneath. This is on some really accurate pins, 10.5mm pins, and the fence fits down the back here and comes all the way across. Plus we can put outfeed side tables on it also in the current configuration. These are the originals, just with the pieces took off. Tighten this bolt down here. You can run the saw all the way across, the fence all the way across. Works great. I'll bring you up on the next one when I get this a little further along. But it'll even park with that in as well. So just a little space saving kind of deal. That's it. More to follow.